Hi, teacher. I am going to talk about Sangolki Core Festival in Tours. In September, you can enjoy the Core Festival, one of the most important events where Queen from all city participate. The parade is carried out through the main street of Sangolki on elegant carriages adorned with flower and pulled by beautiful steeds accompanied by traditional dance group and village band. Another popular event is the Chagra Parade, in which members of the different Chagra clubs in the canton participate. The Sangolki Festival are celebrated from 1960 in the core festival. Core is the present because it has an ancestral value in the daily life of the people. Due to the pandemic, it was no longer possible to celebrate in previous years, but people are very excited to be able to celebrate this canton this year. Thank you, teacher.